corner and I am super excited because it is one of my favorite seasons. Comment down below which is your favorite season and let me know if you're excited about fall. I know I am, so I decided to film this video today. I will share with you some fall essentials. Now I want to give this disclaimer. I'm not telling you to go ahead and buy everything that I'm mentioning in this video. I'm not even going to buy everything that I show in this video. I have things from previous years. I have one new thing. So this video is just for fun. I'm just filming this so we can all get excited about fall. So let's jump right into the fall essentials. I have written all the essentials down on my phone. I have a list right here. And my number one fall essential is a good jean jacket. I've had my previous jean jacket for over 5-6 years. It has been quite a while since I have bought a new jean jacket and my previous one was just falling apart a little bit basically. I have my new jean jacket right here. I will have the link of this jacket down below. I got it in a size medium because I wanted it to be a little bit more oversized, but I think that this piece is such a staple for fall season because during fall the weather is not too warm, it's not too cold, but maybe during the morning it is a little bit crispy, you know. So I think throwing a jean jacket over your outfit will keep you warm and will of course elevate your whole outfit. I also like jean on jean, so we'll definitely wear this jean jacket with a pair of jeans. I don't mind that look at all. And of course you can throw it over the leggings and a more casual look over a dress to make the look a little bit more, you know, edgy. But I am in love with this new jean jacket and I think it fits very nicely and I cannot wait to wear it. Fall essential number 2, I will have to say that it is a pair of black booties, black boots. They go with everything and I have 2 pairs to show you. These are the booties. First of all, don't mind the dust. They are dusty. I am aware of that. But I've had this pair right here with the laces for about 3-4 years. I cannot really remember, but it's been quite a while. They are from Zara and these are from Zara too. So both styles are very nice. This pair I got last year and I'm sure that Zara will have a lot of black booties this year as well. They always have black booties on their website during fall and winter. Wow, they felt heavy on my hand. My hand is in pain now. But I think that a pair of black booties is an excellent piece to have. And you can wear these booties with so many different outfits. You can dress them up, dress them down, and you can just basically wear them from morning to night. That's why I really love them. The next essential is notebooks and journals. I think that notebooks and journals are much needed now that we are in back to school season. So if you're on your way back to school or back to college, so you will definitely need some notebooks, a journal, something to write down your to-do list, things you have to do, your tests. And even if you're not going back to school or back to college like me, these are just useful. I've had this notebook for quite a while now. It is almost finished. I have only a few more pages left. And I have been using this as a journal and to write down my to-do lists and to write down maybe video ideas and to plan out my videos. So I really like to use up what I have. So I write everything in this notebook. But as soon as it is full, I will move to this one. And this one was a gift from my sister. I also have a smaller version of this notebook that I use to write down my monthly goals. Maybe you have seen it in my monthly reset videos. But this is basically a bullet journal, but I don't mind that. I don't mind that it doesn't have the straight lines. I will use it for the same thing like the previous one, journaling, to-do lists, planning out content, and anything that I might need to write down. I am just really into stationery and cute notebooks and pens and maybe stickers. I find all these things very cute and very aesthetic and, may I say, wholesome? I don't know, there's something that I really like about stationery. The next fall essential are books. Of course, gotta love books. Gotta love books all year round, but lately I have been really into reading and I feel like reading is such a great thing to do, especially during this cozy season. You know, you grab your cup of coffee. Let me grab my cup of coffee. So as I was saying, you grab your cup of coffee, you grab your book. That's the book that I have just started reading, Memoirs of a Geisha. I've been liking it so far, but I think that nothing beats a full morning you're reading and sipping your coffee or your tea, whatever you like. Such a wonderful way to start your day. Also, I am curious about what you are currently reading. So if you're reading a book currently, let me know down in the comments which book are you reading. Is it good? Do you recommend it to me? Maybe I can check it out. So let me know. Next up in my full essentials list, I have candles. Gotta love candles. Now, one issue that I have is that if I have a cute candle, I feel bad burning it. I know, that's a bit weird. I have one from Rituals in my living room and it smells very nice, but I have never burned it because I just don't want to burn it down. I want to keep it there because it looks very cute and very aesthetic. Maybe I need to buy another candle, a bigger one that I can actually in reality burn and enjoy the smell and the coziness. I know my sister loves candles. She has them burning in her bedroom and it smells very nice and it's very cozy. I think she also always has a candle on her desk at her office. Next up, blankets. Picture this. It's a cold, full morning. You have your coffee, you have your book, as we said before, and you have a nice cozy blanket on your couch and you just cover yourself up and you're enjoying your book and you're enjoying your warm beverage and it's just a great time. I feel like blankets are definitely a full essential because we all start feeling a little bit cold. The next full essential that I have for you guys is something that it is loved by many and it is mugs. We all love cute mugs. I mean, at least I think we all love cute mugs. I have to say that I definitely am a mug lover. There's something so nice holding your drink in a cute mug, and there are numerous cute mugs that you can find online and in stores and in Etsy, so I just had to include mugs in today's video. All the rest of the full essentials that I'm going to mention now are going to be things that you can actually do, so I wanted to include also some fall activities that someone can do. So fall activity number one is a picnic at a park. How amazing does this sound? You find yourself a cute park, the trees have just started turning orange and you're sitting down on the grass enjoying a yummy picnic. I don't know if I will do it because I don't think we have any cute parks around my area. The next fall activity that I have included in my list is hiking. Again, spending time in nature, in fall nature. I feel like during fall we get the perfect temperature to go out and hike. We don't feel super cold, we don't feel like we are dying from the heat like we feel during summer, and this way we just get the chance to enjoy the beautiful fall nature around us, and of course we're getting some exercise in, so it's a win-win situation. And the next fall activity that I have included in my fall essentials list is to bake something, and a couple of ideas that I can give you are pumpkin cookies that I have never baked, but they sound good, so I included them in my list. And the second idea is apple pie. Gotta love a good warm apple pie, especially if it is paired with a cup of warm coffee. So these are my full essentials, guys. As I said in the beginning of the video, I'm not telling you to go ahead and buy all these things that I mentioned. You don't have to buy any of these things to get into the fall spirit. You can always work with what you have. I'm a firm believer of that, working with what we got. And I just wanted to film this video for fun, to get into the fall spirit, into the fall mood. I need to stop talking now and maybe finish my coffee, but I hope you guys got into the fall spirit as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you very much for being here. Bye guys!